So what else?
That's it. That's the whole resume.
Wow. When you said your name was Max Fish, I didn't know you were that Max Fish.
Which one do you think I was?
I just thought you were the good-looking runner one.
Sometimes I'm him, too.
So what's the next film you're going to make?
Well, I've kind of made a commitment to pursuing this other lifestyle.
Really?
Yeah. What?
Nothing. It's not my place to say.
What? So what kind of graphic arts do you do?
Oh, all kinds. Illustrations. It's a neat little company.
What are these goomers doing? Do you want a beer? One of these...
No, a little early.
I'd say so.
I haven't had one for a while anyway.
Oh. I stopped, too.
Did you?
Yeah.
Are you in the program?
AA? No. I went to a couple meetings, but I kind of did it on my own. Meetings and me don't get along.
Well, this is really great place and deal that I go to, and I'd love to take you sometime. It's tough to do it by yourself.
Thank you.
I think I used to come in here a few years ago.
What? I'm sorry.
I just said I think I remember coming in here a few years ago. Friends?
No, local punk. Sid knows him.
Seems like he's got his shit together.
Yeah, maybe he does. Maybe it's me.
You're nice.
Well, you're nice. Let's go to dinner.
I would love to. But, I can't. I'm living with somebody, I have to be honest.
Oh, no. I knew that somehow.
I didn't want to tell you. It's a strange situation. He's moving out this month. It's a long, bad story.
Let's get out of here. Oh, okay. Well, we should give me your telephone
Why?
number or call me at Fish Books.
Okay.
That's the thing to do if you want to run, you know.
Okay.
Because I'd love to see you again. I really.
All right.
I would.
Well, anyway, thanks for the soda and the race.
Well, you're welcome.